So 5 or 6 years ago, the owner realized that we're sitting on a lot of data, but it's difficult to connect. It's difficult to put together because the way we were communicating was purely through WhatsApp. So we had, 30 grain brokers worldwide who communicated all the bids and offers via WhatsApp. Whereas in shipbroking, you can maybe say, okay, I do handy-sized continents, so we have a group for that. In grain, everything is global. So it was one big mess, 1,000 messages a day. So he, together with, let's say, the head of Geneva office, decided, let's build a platform. Let's make it simple. It's going to be Excel, Power BI, very prototype-ish, but let's get it going. So this guy in Geneva, who was, despite being 60 years old, he was quite tech-savvy and a bit of a workaholic. I think he went to his summer house for a week and he built by himself a working prototype. And it worked. It kind of, let's say, proved the business case that, hey, there's a better way to communicate internally. Then there came the second step. He was like, well, I would also like to see what is the supply demand? What are the vessels on water? What are the lineups? What are all these things that a good grain broker would need to serve some of his customers? So he started building that, and that was actually quite good traction. I think, and now I'm not 100% sure on this number, but it was something like 25 of our group customers who decided to use this platform because it was better than what they had internally, which is okay, validated. But it had its limitation. Excel, Power BI, you're sort of limited with how much can you scale, how fast, these kind of things.
Right.
So the owner decided to spin it out and invest some real money in it, hire software engineers, build it properly. And this is sort of where I come into the equation.